Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of rice and cucumber salad from Deborah Madison's The New Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. As usual, I will demo half a recipe and narrate a full recipe. To start, cook 1.5 cups of rice or reconstitute frozen rice. This is how I do it. I freeze leftover rice from Thai or Indian takeout and steam it to serve later. I do that by bringing 1 inch of water to a boil under a fine mesh strainer, and I let the steam from the boiling water heat and soften the frozen rice. And since this batch is from the Indian leftovers, I need to fish out an occasional cardamom pod. Now I'll measure out how much I need, which is about 3 cups of cooked rice for a full recipe. We need to dice 2 to 3 cucumbers, and this is where you can use some personal judgment. First, seed your cucumber by taking a spoon and scooping out the meat in the middle. I give this to my dog. She loves it. Now make thin strips and slice. So add your first batch to the rice, stir it up, and decide how much rice to cucumber you'd like. I want more cucumbers, so I'm going to dice up another cucumber's worth. And this time I'll slice off some of the skin in case that gets to be, too much in the salad. Sometimes it can get too toothsome. And now I've stirred up again, and I like this ratio of rice to cucumber, so I'm gonna move on. Finally, chop 1/4 cup of green onions, including some of the greens. That's about 4 tablespoons, which will be 2 to 3 green onions. This one large-ish green onion gave me 2 tablespoons. Finally, chop 2 tablespoons of fresh mint and 3 tablespoons of fresh dill, and chop 1/2 cup of fresh parsley. Measure 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar or champagne vinegar, which is 4 tablespoons, and then 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Measure in 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and scoop in 1/2 cup of yogurt. Now mix up this beautiful bowl of goodness and serve chilled or at room temperature. Ideally, you have big, luscious, leafy lettuce greens to serve along with it to wrap it up like a little taco, a little burrito, or you can just mix it together like salad. The herbs and cooling yogurt make this fantastic for super hot days. So plate it with a few scoops of other vegetable salads for a summer take on the southern vegetable plate. We do this thing where you can order a bunch of vegetable sides to make a whole meal, and it's super satisfying. That is it for this recipe demo of rice and cucumber salad by Deborah Madison. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/rice salad. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards, and thanks for watching.